All right, number one, we have the area of the square is 64. Find the perimeter. So if the area, remember area of the square is side squared, so I need to take the square root of 64 to get 8. To find the perimeter, well, there are 4 congruent sides in a square, so it's 8 times 4, which is 32 inches. Not squared since it's not area. All right. You got to use a 30, 60, 90 triangle, drop a height straight down. Don't do 25 times 16, since 16 is not perpendicular to 25. All right, they form a 60-degree angle, not a 90-degree angle. That will make this side 2A. Remember, you can put this special red triangle on your purple sheet, 60, 30, 90. This can go on your purple sheet. All right. That would make, so if 2A is 16, that would make A 8. So this would be 8 root 3. So the area would be 25 times 8 root 3. 25 times 8, 200 root 3 units squared. Remember, when multiplying here, okay, we don't actually multiply the radical since 25 is not inside of a radical. All right, 25 times 8 gives me 200. Let's keep going. Perimeter of a rhombus is 32, so the rhombus has 4 congruent sides, so that makes, excuse me, not 42, but 52. 52 divided by 4 gives me 13. The shore diagonal is 10, so each of these pieces is 5. I need to find x. Okay? When we're doing a rhombus, remember, you could use base times height, but 13 is not the height, 5 is not the height, or 10 is not the height either. Since I don't have that, I should remember that these are 4 right angles here, so I can do x squared plus 5 squared equals 13 squared. So x squared plus 25 equals 169, or x squared equals 144, which makes x 12. Now, some of you might remember 5, 12, 13 is one of our Pythagorean triples. Find the area. Okay, this is congruent to this. So the whole thing is 24. Diagonal 1 is 24, diagonal 2 is 10. Does it matter which one you call diagonal 1 and 2? No, it does not. Excuse me. Then divide by 2. I got 120 centimeters squared. Number 4, you got a little trapezoid. Wow, that's sick. Trapezoid. Wow. So if this is 10, then this is 10 right here. Whole thing is 24, 24. Minus 10 is 14, so that makes each of these pieces 7 and 7, since it's an isosceles trapezoid. I can call this x, do the Pythagorean theorem, 7 squared plus x squared equals 25 squared. This is a Pythagorean triple, if you remember, 7, 24, 25. If you don't, that's fine. I'll show my work. X squared equals 576, so x is 24. So, to find the area of a trapezoid, that makes this 24. Area of the trapezoid is add the bases together, multiply the height, and divide by 2. So my whole base on the top is 10, the entire base on the bottom is 24. And then times the height, which is also 24. All over 2. Now, some people may choose to, find the area of a triangle, a rectangle, and a triangle, and that's fine. All right, if you do it that way, I'm not gonna. It doesn't bother me. Okay, if that makes more sense to you. But either way, you should get 408 inches squared. It's 4 minutes. Let's keep going. Let's do number 5. All right, another trapezoid problem. So this one, we don't have one of the bases, so we have to work backwards. All right. In the last problem, we had everything we needed. This one, we do not. So, throw what you know. All right, so if the area is 70, one of the bases I don't know, so x plus 7 x plus 11 times 7 all over 2. Okay, so this is base 1, which is my x, plus base 2, which is 11, times the height, which is 7, all over 2, equals the area. Now, some people will choose to divide the 7 by 2 or distribute it first. I'm going to clear the 2 out right away. So multiply both sides by 2 and get 140 equals x plus 11 times 7. Now, some people will choose to distribute the 7. I'm just going to divide it. All right, I'm going to divide it, because I know that 140 minus or divided by 7 is a nice clean number. So I get 20 equals x plus 11, or x equals 9. Now, after I check my work, I could just plug this 9 back into the original equation and see if I get the 70. All right, if you want to make sure you're doing that right. Okay, I'm going to pause there.